channel. It's your favorite girl here, baby, in the building. It's good to see you. It's good to have you back. And if this is your first time on this channel, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining us. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my family. My family is not complete without you. And to my old subscribers, my one and only family members, y'all all know you are the real MVPs, and I love you so much. Thank you for always keeping it locked here in Kwemi's Corner. So today I'm officially welcoming you to another reaction experience, and I'm welcoming you to another Diana ANKUDINOVA's experience. I usually ask my family members to drop recommendations for me, what they would like to see. So few people recommended Blizzard by Diana ANKUDINOVA. So that is what I'm going to be reacting to. As you all know, I've reacted to few of our presentations. Please do well by checking them out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Please do well by checking them out. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this video. Let me see what Diana has for me. Wow, this is huge. This is so huge. Definitely going to like this one with the first thing that just popped up. Wow, first off, I love the stage thing, like the snow. Anybody that knows me knows it's to do with snowflakes, everything that has to do with snow. I'm definitely going to be in love with it. So this one, I'm loving this one already. And the intro, gosh, that is amazing. Diana did this in 2019 when she was 15 years old, and a 15-year-old girl that has this amount of control over our voice is something we don't get to see often. Like a 15-year-old girl doing this much. God, Diana is just she's a special being. Like, what? Wow. Wait, does Diana dance? Like, does she know how to move her body, dance, groove? I would really love to see her dance. Like, I was seeing a little bit of dance steps and all of that, but like, I would really want to see her, like, you know, move her body, groove and gyrate, all of that. I would really love to see that. my god, that was so beautiful. Like, starting from the stage, the concept behind it, the whole snow thing that was going on. Gosh, I love the stage. Like, whoever does the stage presentation, he or she has a beautiful taste in stage presentation, because everything just goes in line. Like, it's a mood. Like, it has to go in line with every other thing. And our dress, gosh, I love it. Was very simple and elegant. Like, it fits perfectly well. And those bangs, like, this is the first time I'm seeing Diana's hair all packed up, like revealing her face. That girl is so pretty. Like, I kept looking at her face, and gosh, she's so beautiful. And her voice, oh my god, Diana has so much control over her voice, like over her chords, the way she plays around. Like, she has control, so much control over it, that next 1 minute she's here, the next minute she's using another note. Like, the way she just switches, and she does it effortlessly well. The song itself, I don't understand what she was saying, because clearly she wasn't speaking English. But if you really took your time to like listen through to the song, you can see so much emotion, so much expression that she was putting into the song. Like, Diana is someone that when she sings, she sings with the whole of her body, her soul, her spirit. Like, she puts so much expression, so much emotions into her songs. And that is one thing most people lack. Like, when you're singing, you have to carry people along. You have to like let the message you're trying to pass across, let them know what you're trying to pass across, and that is one beautiful thing. She knows how to manage her stage well. She knows what she's doing when it comes to singing. Like, she puts drama, like I would always say. Like, she's more or less like an actor too, because when she's singing, you know, she's trying to dramatize, trying to like explain it. Even when you don't understand what she's trying to say, you can pick one or two things from the expressions on her face, or her body gesture, her body language, all of that. You can easily say, okay, this is what this girl is trying to do here. And that is one thing I really love about her. Diana is singing, like, and you're not there, probably you're not saying, and you would not even know that it's a lady or a girl that is singing. Like, her voice, her range, oh my goodness. Like, who has that kind of voice? Who can do that if not Diana? Oh my god, I'm in love with this girl. This is a 15-year-old girl that does all this thing. Like, an average 15-year-old girl what would an average 15-year-old girl be doing? Probably texting or chatting or something. But this is a girl that has gone through so much, because some of my family members told me a story, and it was so touching. It was like I felt it, and I'm very sure wherever our mom is right now, trust me, she's definitely going to be regretting whatever it was. I really don't know why she did what she did, but she's definitely going to be regretting it. I'm so grateful for the first star mom that, you know, took care of her. And seeing her now, I'm very sure the woman has done a great job. She has raised a queen. Diana is a legend. Like, I love the girl. Like, I love everything about her. Diana can do no wrong in my eyes. Like, she can do no wrong. So thank you so much for recommending this one for me. I love it, and it blew my mind. Like, Diana always blows my mind, so I wasn't expecting less from her. I know she would always come through. Like, that girl, she's a legend, and we already know that she's a legend. Thank you so much for watching today's reaction, family members. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my family. You have to be a part of my family. My family is not complete without you. So if you have watched this video this far, what are you waiting for? Please just click the subscribe button. Join my family, because my family is not complete without you. And please do well by checking all my previous reaction videos that I've made. Series of great artists that I've reacted to. Please do well by checking them out and let me know what you think about them. Thank you so much. I come your way next time. Keep it locked in Kwemi's Corner.